I love the concept of bringing the outdoors in, but I do not want to have to remember to water it or take care of it or maintenance. This artificial plant's 15 inches high. The pot is 2 inches by 5. It's kind of got a variegated black and white, maybe like a bark looking feel to it. Has a little bit of texturing. Plant just sits right on the corner of my desk. It is a plastic and you can manipulate the different branches with the wires however you like. You can kind of just bend them and fold them to take up more or less room depending on your preference. The things I like about it is it's realistic enough for me to add a little bit of pop of green in the corner of our room near my office. I like the black and white striped pot. It has a little bit of that rustic texture that I was hoping for. Love that it's maintenance free. I don't want to water or deal with sunlight. It's good for a desk, probably good for a bookshelf as well. And I think it's really nice as an office touch. And this will be obviously good for a low light environment because it doesn't need any sunlight. Overall, I'd say it absolutely does not look real if you're right up on it. If you're about 5 feet away, it's very realistic. It is definitely low maintenance, definitely versatile. You can definitely put it anywhere you want without having to worry about watering, sunlight, or maintenance. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.